Want to know how to build an Amazon store using JungleScout? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how this powerful software can help you set up and scale your Amazon store quickly and efficiently. Whether you're brand new to Amazon or just looking for a streamlined way to build your store, JungleScout can be the tool you need. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can get an extended free trial with some exclusive bonuses. Let's dive straight into it. First, you want to sign up for JungleScout. It's a tool that's designed to help you with product research, keyword tracking, and competitor analysis. All the things you need to do to set up a successful Amazon store. The great news is you can get started completely free using the link in the description below. Make sure to check that out for an exclusive extended trial. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is find your niche. This is where JungleScout shines. You'll have access to the product research tools like the product database and product tracker. These will help you identify profitable products that have a strong demand but aren't too competitive. You can filter by factors like price, sales, and rating, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. After you've zeroed in on a few product ideas, it's time to validate them. Using JungleScout's opportunity score, you can quickly assess if your products have a high potential for success. This tool takes into account sales history, reviews, and other metrics to give you a score from 1 to 10. The higher the score, the better the opportunity for your store. Next, you'll want to take advantage of the Keyword Scout tool. This is essential for building an optimized product listing. By using Keyword Scout, you can find high volume, low competition keywords that will help your products rank higher on Amazon. Whether you're building your title, bullet points, or backend search terms, this tool will give you the exact keywords that will make your product stand out. Now, let's talk about competitors. JungleScout's competitor tracker lets you spy on your competitors' best-selling products and how they're performing. You can keep track of pricing, inventory, and more. Knowing what your competition is doing is critical when trying to carve out your own space in the marketplace. Once you've set up your product listings, it's time to get your store launched. JungleScout helps here too with tools like Launch, which assists in running promotions and discounts to drive your first sales. This is vital in the early stages when you need to build some momentum. As your store grows, you'll want to monitor your performance. JungleScout's sales analytics tool gives you insights into your revenue, profit margins, and trends so you can fine-tune your strategy over time. The best part is, this data helps you scale your business without guessing, making your decisions more data-driven. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the free trial and exclusive bonuses available through the link below. This will give you the full experience of JungleScout and all its features for an extended period. To sum up, JungleScout is a comprehensive tool that can help you build your Amazon store from the ground up. With powerful features for product research, keyword tracking, competitor analysis, and sales management, it's all you need to scale your Amazon business. So why not give it a try? Use the link below to start your journey with an exclusive extended free trial.